Hello, Melinda Jennison at Streamline Property Buyers in Brisbane. Today I'm going to cover how you can submit your offer under a multiple offer situation to be more favourably considered by a seller. You see, it certainly comes down to price, but sometimes price is not the only thing that determines whether a seller will accept your offer or not. You can actually submit an offer with a much higher deposit. A strong deposit indicates that you're in a strong position to buy. You can also tighten up any terms that you're submitting with the contract in terms of conditions. You can reduce your finance clause or the number of days required to finalise finance. You can reduce the number of days to finalise your building and pest inspections, and you can eliminate any other special conditions that may not be in the favour of the seller. I hope that's been a helpful tip, and if you're looking to buy in Brisbane when the market is experiencing such high demand as it is at the moment, you may need some assistance to help you through that process, and we're certainly here to help buyers in this space. I'm Melinda Jennison. Thanks for your time today. Bye for now.